All right, I'm gonna pull up here to Popeyes and I'm gonna get this Popeyes chicken sandwich that Steve's sister wants me to try.
Popeyes or whenever you're ready.
Hi there, how are you?
I'm pretty good, how are you?
Not too bad. I'm Scott with the Don't Know Show, What Happened in the World Today, and I'm gonna try your chicken sandwich for the first time and we're gonna do it on air.
Oh.
So, I need a number 8 combo with no pickles and extra mayo.
No pickle, extra mayo, alright.
And do you have Diet Dr. Pepper?
We sure do.
I will take a Diet Dr. Pepper with no ice, please.
No ice, and then what can I get for your side?
Oh, I get a choice, huh?
Yeah, you sure do.
Well,
left of the menu board.
let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that. Signature sides. Check it out. See, now if I was paying attention, I would have known that. All right. Well, I think I'm just going to go with the coleslaw because I like coleslaw.
Yeah, some people do, some people don't. Is that everything for you?
That'll do it.
Alrighty, until 7:37, please.
I will pull on up.
Thank you.
All right, though. Oh, there's a line here. That's not too awful long. Well, actually, it sort of kind of is. So, I'll tell you what we'll do because it looks like I'm going to sit here for a while. I'll come back once I get the food. All right, we're going to pull up to the window and pay for this. There is a nice long line here. Apparently, this place is very popular. Hi there. How are you? Say hi. We're gonna be on the Don't Know Show. Is that everything? Oh.
1 year cut.
Okay.
It's slowly coming.
Welcome to technology.
Yeah,
This line here is incredible. Are you always this busy at lunchtime?
pretty much.
All right, well, you enjoy your day.
You too, thank you.
All right, let's get out of here, get into the parking lot, and eat some food. All right, here we go. I found a place out in the parking lot. I had to go to Harbor Freight because the parking lot and setup for the drive-thru at this particular Popeye's Chicken in Janesville is terrible. But anyway, this is what we got. So this is their chicken sandwich, and okay. Oh look, I said no pickles, and they put pickles in it. There's something wrong with people that don't take orders very well. But anyway, the sandwich does look a little bit bigger than the one at Chick-fil-A. So I guess we're gonna have to try this. So. All right, I'm having a little bit of an issue because I just got back from the dentist and they put that stuff in my teeth and I'm sort of tasting that stuff. But this is definitely a larger piece of chicken than Chick-fil-A. And I'm gonna have to say it probably tastes pretty good because I'm still tasting the dental stuff. Sorry about that. I should have gone here first, but it was, you don't want to go to the dentist for tooth cleaning and you have your teeth full of food. All right, that's it for now. You have fun. All right, it's official. Halfway through the sandwich, most of the dental stuff was out of my mouth. Definitely a good sandwich. Thanks, Jeannie. It was worth taking the trip to go there. There's no Chick-fil-A's by me anyway, but that was really good. Thanks.